Today's Ask the Expert segment is sponsored by the Pineview Medical Clinic, and their claim to fame is the True Pulse protocol by using advanced forms of acoustic wave therapy. Here to tell us all about it is Andrew Reinhardt from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, so great to have you back with us on Studio STL.
Hello, good to see you. Thanks for having me.
You too, Andrew. And I mean, this technology in a nutshell is low intensity shockwave therapy. It sounds intense, but it's not. Tell us a little bit about it.
That's right, it's not. Now we're talking about something very specific in men, ED or erectile dysfunction. This is a big problem, and men are pretty sick of the pill, all of the side effects. We've had that for 30 years. Pineview Medical Clinic has what I think is a major medical breakthrough. It's called acoustic wave therapy. Gentle pressure waves are delivered through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes the dying blood vessels to open up and expand. There are a lot of clinical studies saying this can get rid of the erectile dysfunction. There are no pills, no chemicals, no side effects, just more blood flow in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
Well, Andrew, you just said it. The shockwave therapy, it's needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free. I mean, it's pretty incredible. No pills, no invasive injections, no surgery. Give us a breakdown of how it all works.
It is pretty incredible. So the key word here is neovascularization. It's important to note that one of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels. Think of it kind of like a plumbing issue. The blood flow cannot get through. Our treatments widen the diameter of blood vessels very easily with just a few treatments. That allows for more blood flow. That allows the blood vessels to dilate, which is the whole point and exactly what a guy with erectile dysfunction needs.
Andrew, you mentioned that there are lots of studies that have been done on this technology. There's really a science behind it. Lots of medical journals have some of those studies. Where can we learn more about that?
Yes, they are posted at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. It is my opinion that the medical community has spoken loudly on this. This technology is heavily vetted. Even Cambridge has studied this. The Cleveland Clinic, which is one of the biggest hospitals in America, released a study on our technology. So I think this is the future of treating ED. The pill is a thing of the past. This has been called safe and effective and a revolutionary new approach.
And Andrew, we know that this is a pretty disheartening condition for men, but you all at the Pineview Medical Clinic are truly giving them hope. What sets you all apart from other places that currently treat ED?
Here's the big difference. For 30 years, a man has had nothing but Band-Aids for ED, pills and injections. So guess what? He still has erectile dysfunction the next go around. Our technology, as far as I know, it's the only thing that goes to the actual problem. It's not a Band-Aid. We're attempting to fix the problem and repair those blood vessels.
Well, Andrew, do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
Oh, we certainly do. If you or your man are struggling with ED, if you're ready to do something about your love life, grab your phone. Call us before this segment ends. The exam, the assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound, if you can believe it, all totally free. And a gift that can produce rapid results in the bedroom in minutes, we're talking. You're going to love it. Now, this is hundreds of dollars, but call now. It's all no charge.
Well, go ahead, save hundreds of dollars and fix that problem. Pick up the phone and give them a call. That number again, it's 314. We'll make sure you have access to all of it on our website, studiostl.tv, or you can head online to our website or their website at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. There's that number, 314-530-7777. Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. We'll be right back after this.